Will AI financial advisors replace human jobs? Ever thought about it? Until recently, you would visit a financial advisor. You'd ask an expert where to invest, how to save, and how to avoid financial risks. But today, one app, one chatbot, one AI tool, just one click, and your entire financial planning is in front of you. But the real question is, can these AI tools actually replace humans? Are we stepping into a new era where banks, financial advisors, and human consultants will just become a thing of the past? The power of AI financial tools. Friends, today AI doesn't just give advice. It manages your income, expenses, budget, and investments, all automatically. Apps like Cleo talk to you like a friend. ChatGPT gives financial advice like a professional. Tools like YNAB or Spendee send you real-time alerts, telling you where you're overspending and where you can save. And all of this happens without a human. 24/7, tireless, error-free. So the question remains, is AI truly replacing humans? A red flag for human jobs? Here's the truth. AI is cheaper, faster, and emotionless. And that's exactly what companies love. When a company can automate thousands of tasks using a single AI system, why would they pay a human? That's why major financial institutions like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and others have already started integrating AI into their decision-making systems. But can AI truly replace humans? Here's the twist in the story. AI can do a lot, but can it replace human empathy, experience, and emotional intelligence? Imagine, someone has just suffered a financial loss or is in a life crisis. Can AI understand their pain and offer soft, caring advice? Can any algorithm truly understand someone's dreams? No. This is where the importance of a human still remains. AI and humans, together? Here's the real picture. AI didn't come to replace humans, it came to assist them. The financial advisor who learns to use AI tools will become faster, smarter, and more powerful. Just like a calculator didn't replace accountants, it made them more efficient. AI can become a superpower for advisors who adapt. What does the future say? Experts predict that in the next 5 to 10 years, 30–40% of financial advisory services will include AI. Self-service financial planning will become common. Only those advisors will survive who evolve with AI. In short, only those who are ready to learn will survive. And now a question for you. Do you see AI as a threat or as an opportunity? Would you trust a machine with your finances or a human who understands your struggles, your emotions, and your dreams? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you think this video can help a friend, a student, or someone in finance, make sure to share it.